guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on again. Another video of this small series that I'm doing as we are staying home in quarantine or social distancing and abiding by the laws of the land. On a daily basis my hair changes. Does yours? Because mine does. And oh, this is not a peep show, the wrong show. I've got to hide these babies. Until the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We are in spring, but we still got the radiator on because it's a little chilly, a little bit of crisp in the air. My hair is affected by radiator with all the heat. It makes it very dry. So yesterday, if you were watching, yesterday I noticed my hair was very, very dry. Oh. Let me show you properly. Hey, can I just say, look at the edges. they're just amazing now. Still thin but growing. This was bare. This was like nothing there. But now they are there. I'm loving that. So, okay, yesterday it's not looking as bad. It's held its curl a bit more. We gave a bit of a moisture boost yesterday. Ends looking good. Let's see the ends. Still got some bits of aloe in my hair, which I'm alright about. I'd rather have the benefits of the aloe and have the bits in my hair than not have the benefits and have no bits in my hair. I mean, come on now. And this side is looking a little bit frizzy. I'm doing something different today because if you have been watching me recently, the month of March, we are doing 15 days / 16 days of a hair growth challenge, which is the aloe vera every 4 days treatment. So today happens to be one of those days. Just wanted to show you what my hair looks like. A little bit dusty. It desperately needs a pre-poo. So I'm just going to do what I normally do. I'm washing my hair today. It's wash day today, so I'm going straight on to washing this thing. But I know some of you have asked me how I'm applying the aloe vera on my hair, which, you don't know how to put aloe vera on your hair? Let me show you anyway. So all I'm going to be doing is applying this on my hair. It's only the remaining, which is this much. It's probably going to have bits in my hair, but it doesn't matter. There we go. Very gludgy. Oh, looks like it's going to be really bitty. Not so much bits in that. Just going to put it in my hair, leave it on there, and then proceed to wash my hair later. On my roots first, and then later on I'm going to come back, okay, to finish off this little video. This might be in a couple of hours time because I like to keep this on my hair. So it's going into the roots first. Give it a good scrub and a massage into the scalp. Right, I feel like that's completely covered my scalp now. I'm just going to use the rest. Well, there's lots of bits in this. What am I doing? Hey! I'm just going to use the rest of it and cover up my whole hair now. And then slick it back. You see the bits? So annoying. Aloe Vera, can you behave yourself, please? So I'd like to know in the comments how you guys are doing for this month's challenge. Are you managing to keep up with your every 4 days? Is it something you're doing? Or can you not be bothered? Because trust me, I nearly didn't do it. I nearly skipped it today. Then I thought, no. My sister online, she's going to be doing it. And I'm going to have to give an account to you guys. So I thought, no, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Oh, look at the pits. Hey. Anybody help me here? You see the definition it's forming? Love that. I don't know why I've not used aloe vera before this time. I think it's because my love of rice water, and before that my love of Ayurveda. I still think that Ayurveda practices are still the bomb.com. I still think henna is one herb to be reckoned with, and I highly recommend you researching a bit more into Ayurveda practices. But aloe vera is definitely one that's been added to the list of things. Oh, it's getting really bitty now. I'm only in my house, so it's not going to matter if I have bits in my hair. They're very big bits though. I did get a lot of suggestions from my online friends. So many of you said that I should put the aloe through some tights or cheesecloth. I'm going to take you up on your suggestions. Thank you guys. I'll come back later on after I've detangled my hair, after my hair's dried, so you can see what my hair looks like. I'm just gonna post some pictures so that you can see how amazing the aloe vera is, and see it for yourself. And hopefully on this stay-at-home lockdown, we're all on this aloe vera gang. Okay guys, I'm probably going to spend the next 5 minutes trying to pick out or squeeze the aloe vera that's in lumps in my hair. But I hope you get the gist of what I'm doing today, and I hope it's answered some questions for some of you who have asked me how I'm applying it in my hair and what the aims of this month's challenge is. Anyways, nothing new I'm telling you about aloe vera. The next challenge will be up. Please keep the comments coming, guys, about how you're treating your hair. I love your feedback. I really, really appreciate staying in contact with you guys, especially as we are staying at home. So that's all from me, guys. I will see you again in the next video. I'm gonna upload some pictures now so that you can see exactly what my hair looks like after I've done it for today. That's it from me, guys. Please stay at home and please look after yourself and stay safe. God bless you all. Bye.